I didn't close them down. I sold them so that I can pay back the loans I took from the banks.
And our joint accounts?
I've asked the banks to take back their loans.
Really? What about me? What then happens to me?
Don't ask me that stupid question.
Why would I ask you the question?
Don't ask me because
I am
have
asking
so
you.
much I'm carrying on my body, right? So much body I'm carrying on my head right now.
You are greedy. You are selfish.
Oh God.
You are a god digger. Unfaithful.
What kind of rubbish is this? This is too much. Where do I go from here? Where? What do I do? You've not seen the last of me.
No respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere.
Uzazi, why did you come? Obi sold this house. He sold this house.
So what do you want me to do? Yes, you started all this. When I told you to make peace with your son, you refused. You said you knew what you were doing. You chose to keep a woman rather than make peace with your son.
Would you have rather I let her live with my unborn child?
Odogu, that question is not meant for me.
Oh. Obi wants me dead. He emptied my accounts. He sold my house. My ancestral home. Oh, what life.
Oh yes. At least that will make things to balance. Yes. So there will be peace.
What do you mean by that?
My statement is unambiguous. You willed the big properties to a wife, didn't you? Then if selling the house will make peace to reign, let it be. You can build yourself another one.
Build another house with which money? I told you that he freezed my account. Don't you get it?
Odogi, you want me to believe that Obi emptied your account when you are living in the same room with a woman which rises at like wildfire?
Uzeze, why do you think that a woman who helped me come back to my feet again would do a thing like that? Do you know the sacrifices this girl have made in my life?
Odogu, you have failed to see the handwriting on the wall. Why do you think such a woman would love you if you were not rich? Have you thought about that?
Uzeze, go and tell Obi to inform whoever he sold this house to that I would rather live here dead than to leave this house for them.
Ikenga, I do not understand. Yes, I don't understand. But if you said Obi sold this house, go to court. But don't get me involved.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people.
Daddy, you need to help me. I have lost it completely. My head is on fire. I am losing it. I need to cool off. My head is on fire, Daddy.
Well, if your head is on fire and you need to cool it, maybe you need treatment. You can go to the hospital where they can treat it for you, because here we don't have any room where we can give you treatment.
Daddy, please. What about my room? What about my bedroom?
What room are you talking about? Did you build any house for me? Eh? Is there anything wrong with you? There's no room for you here. The 2 rooms we have upstairs are for my daughters. The 2 downstairs, they use them to do some other things. So get out from here. Go and look for your... Look, Your things are in the security house. You can go and pick them if you want to use them, okay?
Daddy, please. I know you are angry and I am sorry, but you should know I am your daughter and I need your help.
Whose daughter? You cease to be my daughter the moment you connive with your mother to betray me. So get out from here. Go and look for your father. Huh?
Daddy, please. My mother and Ben want to ruin my marriage. They want to destroy my marriage. I don't want that to happen.
Which marriage? Which marriage are you talking about? You brought a man here to do abracadabra. You call that marriage? Did I collect any dowry or any bride price? Look, get out from here. Get out from here before I throw you out.
Daddy, please. I beg you, please. You need to help me. If Chief Ikenga leaves me, I am doomed.
You are doomed already. You are doomed already. You are doomed the moment you betrayed me with your mother. Get out. Leave my compound. Get out. Idiot. You are still here.
No,
oh yeah. Get inside.
Daddy, my marriage. Please, you need to save my marriage. Please.
What if she's innocent? She's too good to betray me. If she had wanted my money, she would have gotten it and left.
Oh, baby.
I'm so famished. I've been waiting for you.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Here we go.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. So, I want you to relax.
I'm relaxing.
Okay? Because I want to feed you myself.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Just like a little baby.
Oh, yeah.
I like that.
Okay. All right.
The egg first.
Oh, the egg.
I like egg.
Okay.
This is nice. You did a lot of spice in here and I like it.
Yeah.
And I told you like spiced food. Like communion, right? Don't be naughty.
Oh, my baby.
Nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go now. Oh. I love you so much.
I love you too.
It's me. So now they failed woefully in the task.
What? Oh my goodness.
I'm stuck. Miriam,
Yeah.
I have never felt this happy and important for a long time.
Oh, really? Come on, baby. You should know I am here for you. But guess what? I'm going to give you more sweet love from your back from Egypt.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait.
So, what about a waist massage?
Are you sure I'm going to survive it?
Of course you should. Come on.
Wheel me to heaven.
Okay. To heaven.
Wheel me to heaven.
Here we go.
One way.
Here we go.
No traffic. It's traffic free.
Traffic free, I tell you.
Oh, she's the best thing that has happened to me. No, I I will not let lies and jealousy tear us apart. I'll go in search of her tomorrow. But what am I going to do about this house?
Nah, you can't do this to your father. That would be too much for him to bear.
Uncle, I don't care. I did not touch my father's money. Let him ask that desperate lady in his life what happened to his money.
I told him to ask her. He insisted she cannot stay from her. You see, your father had put so much confidence on that girl.
Which is a serious problem.
But why did you sell the house?
Uncle, if I did not sell that house, a total stranger who doesn't know how that money was made will sell that house and enjoy it on a platter of gold. And that will never happen under my watch.
So where do you want your father to stay now?
I don't know and I don't care.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Uncle, listen, if you want to ask me to help my father, don't go there because I won't. I can never help a man that looked me in the face and told me that the only thing that matters now is that desperate lady and his unborn child.
Now, this fight cannot go on forever.
Uncle, if you so much love my father, help him. Accommodate him. As for me, I will not help a man that looked me in the face and told me that the only thing that matters is that desperate lady carrying his unborn child. I will help no such man.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere.
Is my money ready?
Bond, you kept me waiting.
Is my money ready?
Sit.
There's no point sitting when my money is not ready. I mean, I will proceed and post your nude pictures online because I've given you enough grace.
Sit down. Do you realize that I've been through a lot? Do you realize that my marriage is shattered? Do you realize that people are already talking about my nude pictures in your possession?
But why are you telling me all this? I mean, you were the one who promised to give me some money to keep the pictures, right?
I don't think it makes sense anymore.
What does that supposed to mean?
You can go ahead and post the pictures. I don't have anything to hide anymore.
Wow. I can see you're trying to dare me to see what I can do, right?
Well, before you do what you want to do, I would love you to explain to the police why you have been blackmailing me.
Blackmailing you?
Officers, he is the idiot who has been blackmailing me with my nude pictures in his possession.
Sweet mommy.
Young man,
Sweet, please, I'll just keep...
you're under arrest. Officer, please. I'm just kidding. I don't even have your nude pictures. You can check my phone, please.
Move.
Please, can you take this idiot
You're wasting
away?
our time. Move
Please
it.
don't let them take your sweet pie away, please. Sweet mommy. Sweet pie, please.
Oh, one down. Miriam next.
I greet you. Okay.
What are you doing in my house?
Where is Miriam?
I should be asking you that. You left this house with her, didn't you? And I heard that you got her wedded in the court without my consent.
Okay, but I did it for her own consent. And for her own good.
Really?
Did she come here yesterday?
Ikenga, stop spitting on my face. You made your choice. Go and enjoy it. But let me warn you. Don't ever in your life come to my house again. And for your information, she's no longer my daughter. I've disowned her. Now leave. Leave. And never come back here again. Is that understood?
Baby, you revive my life when I thought all hope is lost. What could I have done without you, baby? You made me to see light, yeah. What could I have done without you? You gave me joy, yeah. What have you done to me, baby? You gave me love. I don't know life is sweet like this, so make your love, they carry me, they go. What have you done to me? Carry me, they go. I don't know life is sweet like this, so believe in me, believe in me, oh. Ibakala believe in me, Tolo Gaga, no, na me and you for life. Believe in me, believe in me, oh. Ibakala believe in me, Tolo Gaga, no, na me and you for life. Everybody is a wolf in sheep clothing. No one to be trusted, nobody to rely on. Onyabunabu wagwa, nisyo wea. Which kind of family be this yo? What have you done to me, baby? You gave me love. I don't know life is sweet like this, so make your love, they carry me, they go. What have you done to me? Carry me, they go. I don't know life is sweet like this, so believe in me, believe in me, oh. Ibakala believe in me, Tolo Gaga, no, na me and you for life. Believe in me. Believe in me, oh. Ibakala believe in me, Tolo Gaga, no. What a brave man, who not feel afraid. Yeah. He conquers fear. Obina. His name is Obina. He's well prepared. The fearless man. All the women wage okay. His name is Obina. Obio. Obi Dynasty. The fearless man. His name is Obina. Obi Dynasty. Obi Dynasty. The fearless man. The fearless man. His name is Obina. The fearless man.
Father, I want us to talk.
It's not about my money, we are not talking.
What makes you think I am responsible for your missing money? I'm not. I suggest you go to the bank tomorrow and verify how your money got missing. Or better still, ask your concubine.
You cannot fool me, Obi. You've been trying all your possible best to put her off my way. But that's not going to work.
That's by the way. I'm here to find out if you have amended your will so that I can refund those people's money. And this house becomes ours again.
What about Miriam?
Miriam is not a member of this family and she can never be.
What happens to my unborn child?
Father, it's disappointing that you still believe you're responsible for that pregnancy. You are not. That pregnancy belongs to her boyfriend, Bernard. Wake up, Father.
I want to find out from her. Okay? Could you please tell your men to let her in so I can find out the truth from her?
Are you carried away by love or what?
Just go away. Go away and leave me. Leave me alone. Just go. Go away, please. Leave me, let me drink. Just go.
Miriam, let us go home. Please, let's go home.
There is no home for us. Just go away and leave me. Leave me, let me drink. Let me drink and have fun. I enjoy myself.
Of course, you know I'm not going to allow you to do this. I'm not allow you to harm the unborn child.
What do you care? Moreover, you trust them over me. You believe them.
Miriam, I'm not going back to that house without you. I love you.
What did you say?
I said that I love you so much.
Say it again.
I love you.
Say it like you mean it. Tell me again.
Miriam, I mean every word I am saying here. I love you so much.
Just hold me and tell me how much you love me. Just hold me.
I love you to the moon and back to earth. I truly love you.
What have you done to me? You gave me love, and that's no life is sweet like this. Make your love, they carry me, they go. What?
I want you to tell me the truth. Who is responsible for your pregnancy? The truth.
Baby, it breaks my heart to know that you don't trust me.
No, don't say a thing like that. I trust you. That's why I want to know the truth. It's between us. Nobody's here. It's a child.
It's your child. It's your child.
It's okay. I know
It's all
that
baby.
you.
It's all
It's
baby.
not all about me. Well, could you please do me a favor by accepting for a DNA test to further prove them wrong, okay?
Without
A
you.
DNA test.
Trust yourself now. Because she will never accept it.
Excuse me.
Ben here is responsible. Permit us to sit? Thank you very much. Well, Ben here is responsible for her pregnancy. We talked about it. We had a plan. We discussed that Ben will propose to her on her birthday.
Hey.
Right, baby girl?
Hey.
Am I lying?
Mother.
Come on. Be civil.
Mommy.
That's true, Chief. Before this whole saga, I made an inquiry on your likes and dislikes. And I told her to come and use herself as a vet so that we can do the contract behind her mother. I never knew she would fall in love with you.
Hey.
I was born a child, but I was not born in the night. I mean, how could you possibly give away your fiancé according to you for business bed? Does that make sense? Come on.
Chief, I am here with a doctor. If he said that the pregnancy is not mine, the doctor is going to conduct a DNA test to ascertain who the father is.
Simple. And we have text messages, pictures.
Hey, Mother.
You've been with Ben for like 2-3 years.
Ben! What about me? Come on now. Baby, this is not true, Ben.
You're just a
why?
mental prick.
Why are you bent on destroying my life? Why are you bent on ruining my happiness? Why?
Happiness? Who's talking about happiness here? Do you know what happiness is? You. Never. You're a daughter of Eve.
Even you.
Oh, please stop.
Even you, my mother. Even you, baby.
Jeez.
Come on, what have I done to deserve this?
I don't like stressing words. We came with a daughter.
What have I done? Baby, what have I done?
Ikenga, permit me to know if this young lady is lying.
Uzozie.
Hey! Hey! Why is everyone against me now? Why is everyone against me? Why are they all against
That's the only way to go about this. Accept it for the DNA test and that's all.
Baby, you know me. You
I
know
know
me
you.
very well.
Wait,
Baby,
wait,
this
wait,
is
wait,
so
wait.
much.
Where's this young woman with you? Oh.
She's a lab scientist. She can take the specimen needed for the DNA test.
Oh, it's okay. So,
Baby, it's me.
before this.
Sir, do we have a guest room here?
Chief, please. We came with a doctor, so please, if you don't mind. Doctor,
Yes, ma'am.
go with them.
Chief, please. I need to go with them.
No, Ben. No. Calm down. Relax.
Try. This is me. You're doing it for me.
Baby, you don't trust me. You talk like you don't trust me.
drama. This place is not love zone.
You don't trust me. You don't trust me. You don't trust me, baby.
Go with them. Do that for my sake. Just give some respect.
Just not waste time on travels.
Okay, just take it easy on her. Take it easy. Baby, stand on your feet. More like it. Just forward. Straight. Of course, I'll go with you. Oh, that's better. Is that what you want? I know. Please, yeah. Okay. And you can take the lead, okay? I'm right here, standing strong behind you. Right? Remember what I used to tell you? We can rub each other's back. right? You need you, you okay that way? Trust you. Yeah.
I know. I know. Chief, please. We're not in any way hurry. No, we're not in a hurry. Just sit down. You see, we have details. We have pictures. We have text messages. If you want, I can send all of them to you. Yes. I never knew that my daughter would turn to a mententem prick. Never knew. I'm so sorry that it has to be with you. Sorry. But let's just see what the DNA will talk about. I mean, why would a mother lie against her daughter? Come on. Don't stress your leg. Just sit.
What did she say?
Well, the lab scientists were here earlier on, so they've taken our samples for the DNA test.
Good. Did she tell you about a Pakistan man who always comes to chill at Island Bar with an Indian man?
What kind of nonsense question is that?
Because those guys are fraudsters, international scammers. I'm sure she might have shared your account details with them.
You're calling my wife a thief? Why are you bringing all these stunts? You are a prime suspect until you get to the bank.
I don't know why you are finding it difficult to believe that your concubine had a hand in your missing money. But trust me, time will tell. And when that time comes, I will make sure she rots in jail.
Obi is a headache. Obi is a headache.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
Going to use the restroom, of course.
For real? And I had someone morning.
Morning. Oh, really? Good for them.
And I saw your movement with this Indian guy.
Oh, please, stop. Which Indian guy? What Indian guy are you talking about?
Excuse me. Wait. Is this not the debit card that Chief gave you? Look at it. Marian, what the hell is going on?
No, it is.
Are you okay?
Yeah, sure.
You
have to be careful.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Could it be that Haran did this? How did it happen? I was smooching with him in the restroom, and then he left and came back again, and then he left again. God damn it! I am finished. I am finished. Shit.
Where's Ikenga?
Ikenga, I know the my Megida, I don't come out, I don't go for bank. No vessel. Any problem?
Go and see who's at the gate.
Huh? Hey, Baba! Say, I love you.
Who's it? Huh? I am dead. Huh? I am finished. Who's it? Finished. I'm finished. I am gone. I'm gone with the wind. All I have leveled, all my money is gone. All my effort for more than 25 years is gone with the wind.
What did they say at the bank?
They said that the person behind that fraudulent act is from Asia. Who's on say I'm gone?
I told you,
Baby, how did it go?
Oh, I am dead.
What happened?
I need to rest.
See, I told you Obi is not responsible.
Oh.
Baby.
Here is the DNA test results carried out of the infant on Miriam Okibo. The results state that Bernard Duke is not the biological father.
What?
I said it.
That is impossible.
I said it all. Oh my God, thank you, thank you. May those who plot against me be turned back and confused. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for vindicating me.
It is obvious. It is obvious you want to seize my child because you are richer than I. I will sue you to court. Better say the truth. Say the truth. Better say the truth.
Young man, you just heard what the doctor said. That the born child is not yours. You cannot use the exit door. I'll call the police on you now.
Go! Did you not hear him? Go! You just came to ruin my happiness. I still wonder why? What have I ever done to you?
I will leave. I will leave. See you in court. See you in court.
Oh God. You heard her sound and clear. She said Ben is not the biological father of my child. I mean, you heard, baby. You heard everything. You heard it yourself.
But I am not done, ma.
You're done. My sister, you are done. You are done. Ben is not the biological father of my child.
Young man, you
It's
talk
you,
too
my
much.
baby.
I need to tell Chief his own result too.
Okay,
What do you
go
mean?
on.
What do you mean, Dr. Gordon? The young man is not responsible, so I am.
Doctor, go on.
Chief Ikenga is not the biological father. The unborn child has traces of Indian.
Indian?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This can't be my result. I have never seen an Indian man before. I don't know how Indians look like. I have never seen them with my eyes.
Enough of the drama. Father, listen. Wait.
With all due respect, sir, my name is Chike. Obi here paid me to follow your wife, and I've been following her for the past 6 months. She has been dating an Indian man.
Seeing is believing. Look at what your wife did. Kissing and romancing an Indian man in public. This is the same man she gave your debit card. He's a fraudster. They duped you. They are scammers and she's an accomplice.
Baby, my love.
Water. Father. Listen,
No, nothing will happen.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere.
We do not need to continue like this. I'm sorry for everything.
Father, I'm not in the mood for this.
We can settle this once and for all. Let bygone be bygone.
When I told you that Miriam and her family hijacked that contract from me, you said nothing. For that reason, I will not settle anything with you.
To err is human. I didn't know who she was. It was you who saw the whole thing. I was playing an infatuation. It can happen to anybody. No matter what, you are still my son. I'm your father. We can join hands to rebuild this empire, and we will recoup whatever we've lost in the past. It's you and I that can build it. You have to think. I have made up my mind to sign the surety form for you. You're my heir. Come to my arms. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry.
What a brave man who does not feel afraid. Yeah. He conquers fear. His name is Zubby. He's well prepared. The fearless man. All the women wage him okay. His name is Zubby. Bobby Dynasty. Fearless man. This name is Zubby. Bobby Dynasty. Bobby Dynasty. The fearless man. The fearless man. This name is Zubby. The fearless man.